Hi, good day guys, my name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's home entertainment within South Africa. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to be talking about a 3D sound solution utilizing the SPT8-S rare channel kit for your 2024 soundbars. So the whole focus today is how to connect them, how to activate them, and which models of the 2024 soundbars will be compatible with the SPT8-S. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So to connect the rear channel kit, it's very simple. You have your black and white wires included in the purchase, as well as a power cable. The power cable will be plugged into the left channel of the rear channel kit. And then what you do with the black and white is simply plug it in its respective areas. Black goes into black, white will go into white. Now, the moment you do have power, like you can see on my speaker right over here, is that it is blinking green. That is great. That means it wants to pair with a soundbar. Now, if yours isn't blinking green, what you do is you just click the pair button within the socket right over there. And what you want to do is make sure that the soundbar is completely off from the power outlet. Press the pair button, then plug in the soundbar into the power outlet, switch on the soundbar, and you should see your green light go steady green. So we're switching on our soundbar right now. So once connected, you can see the green light goes steady. That means the rear channel kit has successfully paired with the soundbar wirelessly. So now that you've successfully connected the SPT8s to the soundbar, let's activate them. Using the LG soundbar available on iOS and Google Play Store, you can activate the surround sound through Sound Effects Cinema as well as Bass Blast. But if you want to have it activated for everyday listening time, well, you can go through to the settings icon on your phone and then go to settings by speakers and then activate the surround sound setting available on the S60TR, and that's how you're going to get the both left and right surround sound to be activated for everyday listening. Now let's move over to the soundbars that are going to be compatible with the SPT8s in 2024. So very commonly we get asked if the SPT8s are going to be backwards compatible, like can it be supported on an S75Q or an SN7Y. Unfortunately, the SPT8s are only built for the 2024 soundbars. That means you will be able to have the SPT8s working on the SG10TY as well as the S70TY. The S65 and S60TR come included with the SPT8 already within your purchase. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll leave links down below to support the SPT8 so you can read more about them. But as always, I would like a like as well as a subscribe and a comment down below if you're having any inquiries further so that I could best assist you. The next video we're going to be doing is going to be about the Chromecast and Apple AirPlay built into 2024 TVs. So I'm looking forward to recording that to deliver it to you guys. So make sure you guys stick around, turn on those notifications for that video as well. See you guys in the next video.